Hi everyone. So when I was getting ready to take my NCLEX, one of my friends put together a nurse kit for me, and it was all of these items that she had talked to nurses on the unit that they had said have been lifesavers for them, and it really has been a lifesaver for me as I have started, and I really wish I had them during clinicals during nursing school. So I'm going to share it with you, and I'm also going to share this card that came with it because I think it's super important. It says, "Strong nurses, may we know them, may we encourage them, may we be them." So let's get started. One of the first items in the kit was this little keychain type thing, and it has a little clasp on the back, so it'll actually fit on the back of the badge reel. And it has a highlighter, a Sharpie, and a black pen. And then with the black pens, they came with all of these other colors, and they're mini pens, and so you could add them to the back of it. And I found once I, started getting on the unit and I was trying to organize myself more, using some colored pens on my own notes became great because I was able to, categorize, okay, blue means this, red means this, and then have the black pen for all of the stuff that we got as far as forms and documentation. Scissors and hemostats. The one day that you don't have them is going to be the day that you need them multiple times. So just try to always keep these with you. Pen light. You don't want to be pulling out your phone to look in your patient's eyes. This is great. It's really easy to keep on you. It's a quick little thing to just turn on, turn off. Keep that with you too. This is a kind of an interesting one. This is an eyeglass holder, and I know you're gonna be like, well, I don't wear eyeglasses, and that's okay. That's what they're for. We found that if you actually take this, they pull apart, and it's metal on the inside. So one side goes underneath your shirt, and then the other goes on top. And you can put your badge reel on top, so that way it's not pulling down your neckline or anything like that, and you can position it anywhere you want on your scrub top or your uniform top, and it works out great. Hair ties, you know you're going to need them, you know you're going to use them. They're always good to have with you. And then this is a fabric softener on the go. It's great just to smooth out your scrubs before you go in. Definitely use it during nursing school. Really recommend it. It's a fantastic thing to have with you. Also, if you have white scrubs, I recommend having a bleach pen or even just like a stain remover pen for any sort of color, because those do definitely happen. An expo marker. Every hospital that I was at for clinicals had the whiteboards, and including the hospital that I work at now. It's really nice to have one on you, so that way you're not trying to run and hunt them down throughout your shift. Just keep it with you and you'll be good to go. Extra black pens. Be the person that has extra, that can share, because you know that you're going to lose these throughout your shift. You know that people pick them up, or they end up in a patient's room and it gets left there. Be the person that has more. And then a clipboard. So this one's really cute. She put my name on it, so it says Katie RN. But I definitely recommend having a clipboard just to keep everything together and, keep yourself organized. But also keep some extra paper in there, so that way you can take notes throughout your shift, and you can go back and review them later. And it's just an amazing thing to have. You need to have it.